Hey everyone, it's Daniel here from etfs. Hope you're all doing well. So let's talk about gold. Gold's a very interesting asset, and we've been seeing some selling pressure in gold. And if you've been looking since a more longer term time frame since 2020, you see gold kind of trading in a sideways. It has these vicious moves down, vicious move up, right? Just trading in this range, side by side by side. And, as a bull, if you're bullish in gold or you're a bear, you're probably stuck in this range and you're thinking that when is this breakout going to happen? Especially if you're bullish, especially just recently, we came and tested that resistance level around the 2080 level, and we've got a nice rejection. We're seeing gold kind of sell off here. Now, what's going on? Are we going to get gold breaking out? Are we going to see gold do well? Isn't gold a recession, asset that when recessions come, gold should go up, right? Why is it not acting like that? Now, of course, before I start, this is not financial advice. This is not investment advice. Always consult with an investment advisor before making any investment decision. But for me, when I look at gold, for my own personal views, my own personal opinion, gold is definitely not bad to have in your portfolio, especially if you're hedging against future risks like recessions. But there's few things at play here when it comes to gold. Like, for example, the US dollar. Look at the strength in the US dollar. We're seeing a nice rally in the US dollar, bringing in strength, causing gold to basically come down. Right? When you also look at bonds, bond yields have been moving up. We've been seeing some selling in bonds. That's basically also pushing the gold prices down and keeping the U.S. dollar strong. Let's look at another scenario here as well when it comes to foreign interest in U.S. treasuries, wanting to own U.S. bonds. What do? How do you buy U.S. bonds? You buy it in U.S. dollars. So you need to own U.S. dollars. So you buy U.S. dollars and you buy U.S. treasuries, thus keeping the dollar higher and keeping gold down. Also, this risk-on event that we've been seeing in the markets, right? Look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's been up 30%. S&P 500 since the start of this year has been doing well also, right? The U.S. equity markets is not doing so bad in terms of the start of 2023. So that risk on sentiment means that, hey, the recession is maybe not there, so we don't have to own, these safe haven assets. We can invest it elsewhere, which is also limiting gold from having its breakout moment. But until the US dollar sells off, until we see, the shortages issue with the US dollar or the weakness in the US dollar, going back again to the shortages, that to subside, or just in general, the US dollar coming down lower, we could see gold prices moving up or breaking out. Maybe it may take the recession to bring US dollar higher again, or maybe not. And that breakout we'll see when we see that weakness in the US dollar. And I think it may come later than what everyone's expecting, especially the whole psychology behind the buying of gold and these traders who are so bullish. You can have a lot of weak hands that have been invested at the top of the resistance level, who eventually panic sell. And if you get a lot more people panic selling out of gold, you can see that liquidation to happen. But until there's some weakness and softness in the US dollar, I think it will be tough for gold to move up higher. I do think gold's going to have its moment to shine. It's just that you have all these fundamentals and technical indicators there that is limiting gold from breaking out. And this goes for other metals too, like silver. So definitely there are opportunities there that you can look at in terms of gold and silver. But again, it's not having that moment, especially when you get everyone so bullish on it. You tend to see the reverse happen. And then if people start to throw in the towel on gold, then I think that's the moment for gold to eventually shine. Now, definitely I could be wrong. And again, this is not investment advice, but it looks like that after ranging for some time, having a triple top there, gold's eventually going to have its moment. It's just not so soon. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, subscribe, hit the like button, the bell icon to be notified on the next video, and I'll see you guys around. Cheers and bye.